Subaru in the late 90s started pumping out little compass packs with digital displays, put them into a variety of models, including the Forester and the Impreza. These little units had a digital display of your location via compass, your elevation via an altimeter, a pressure reading via a barometer, and a temperature readout from a temperature sensor positioned in the front of the vehicle. These are pretty nifty units, but also very simple and a little bit stupid, if you ask me, because they don't have too much information to display. But cool, nevertheless. If you're gonna be installing one into your vehicle, try and find one with a wiring harness. This is gonna make the installation much easier. Now the trickiest part, the part of the installation that I want to cover in this video, is finding the right speedometer input wire. On the Foresters and Imprezas, specifically the 1998 and 1999 model years, this is well documented in a number of manuals and online forums. Usually you're looking for a blue 24-pin connector and a green/white stripe wire in position number 9, I believe, on the connector. But on other vehicles, it can be a little bit tricky to find the right wire. Which, when I was installing mine on my 1999 Subaru Legacy, I was a little bit, annoyed at first because I couldn't find this thing. But looking through the manuals, I was eventually able to find it. So specifically for the second gen Legacies and Outbacks, you're looking for a connector that is light gray in color in the driver's side footwell. Closer to the left side, it's going to be smushed in the middle of two other connectors, a brown 22 pole connector to the left and a black 22 pole connector to the right. On this middle connector, you're looking for a black, with green stripe wire going into pin 18 on the connector. It will be on the right hand side, 8 pins down from the top. Tap into this wire and connect it to your compass pack, and the animation, which will show when you're driving forward, should pop up on the compass pack. I'm not exactly sure if this works on a variety of other Subaru models. I know this for sure works on the 1995 to 1999 Subaru Legacies and Outbacks. So just make sure to look in the service manual wiring diagrams before you dive in. Thank you for watching, and happy wrenching. Woo!